Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send USDT on TRC20 on Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, you just have to launch Binance application, and then you just have to log in into your account first. Now, once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now, over here, you need to tap on Spot in the top, and then you will have to tap on Send. Once done, you will have to select on Chain Withdraw. After selecting, tap on USDT here. Over here, you need to paste the address or the wallet address of that particular exchange relating to the USDT TRC20 where you want to withdraw your amount. After that, you need to provide the network, which in our case is TRC20. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. Then, need to tap on the Withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be landed on the next page where you need to review all the information that you have mentioned previously, such as you will have to look at the address, whether it is correct or not, and you will have to make sure that it's selected as TRC20. And you just have to make sure that the amount that you have entered is the amount that you want to withdraw. Once everything is correct, you will have to tap on the Withdraw button, and after waiting for some time, you will be able to easily send USDT on TRC20 Binance to some other exchange of yours or to Trust Wallet. So that's basically how you can send USDT on TRC20 on Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.